Rome 2021, the Big Sleep Studio Tour. Historical in many aspects. Myself, my team, Big Sleep Studio, my brother Dead Rabbit Inc., my wife Miss Sleeps, my brother Lou K2S, joining forces with the Beast Buster to meet up in such a wonderful part of the world and bring all of our art over there to an expo, to the streets. But at the same time, we are being received by this awesome group of people that have been influenced by the Chicano culture, by the art that comes from Los Angeles, by the letter forms that started on the streets of LA, the gang styles. Just sitting at the convention the first day and I'm wondering, like, how am I gonna feel like at these European shows? The last time I was there, I was sitting next to my brother Norm, and now people are gifting me things saying that I'm the closest thing to him, and he's no longer with us. So the feeling that I had receiving some of these gifts and looking at the legacy and the impact he left behind was far greater than words can say.
Norm forever. And Roma, we love you, bro.
When my brother Norm passed away, I didn't know if I would travel the same energy or that same beast mode that I carry in me, man. I didn't know if that was gonna happen, but something told me go out there, man, and take one last tour around the world. We've definitely done something right to be recognized at this level. As I said before, me and my crew, the K2S family, Kill to Succeed, we're coming strong 2021, 2022. Get ready, man. Wherever they let us in, we're coming in there, man. We're tearing shit up.